innate on both leaf bugs and the square teeth, so I will always start the game with 60 shield and a free 85 damage here.
Wow.
No way.
This is a cool lineup. It's also aesthetic as hell. It's so beautiful. Look at your
Bugs are
backliner, dude.
beautiful.
Look at this
Bugs are just
guy.
beautiful, actually. Yeah.
Oh yeah, the leaf bug square teeth combo is insane.
All right. This is no mercy here. So what's Jiho got? You're wrapping some triple tinder. Okay.
Wow, he's shuffling a void. Goda is really good. Voids are
Goda.
really bad. You don't want to
Yoda
draw
is
those things.
top tier.
Alright, let's see.
So Goda gets banished, but you shuffle a void into your opponent's discard pile. Not fun.
Also, as people rush to the marketplace to buy these double leaf bug square teeths, I'll save you some time, and they don't exist.
Ah, I got really unlucky there. Let's see.
Double leaf bug square teeth.
Okay, so it's got the fear there in the front.
Next turn, after the target is attacked, shuffle one goo into your opponent's discard pile. So does goo work the same way as a void? It's just junk that's in your hand that you don't want.
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, goo, it's junk in your hand, and to get rid of it, you have to spend an energy.
Oh, that's the only way to get rid of it is to actually use
Yep.
it. I see. I didn't know that, actually. I think that's why I lost so hard last time I played against it, because I just kept passing when I picked him up. So that's a good tip.
Okay, here come the lumber shields.
Yeah, Jiho's got a lot of cards here.
Oh
So
no,
here comes the hot butt. Drop some burns. So this is the void. Unplayable, ethereal. When you draw one or more void, you lose one energy. Oh.
Yeah, so he shuffled a void, but I also am using a rune that shuffles voids, so I have like 2 voids in my deck.
Yeah, that rune is one of the stronger runes, I think. But it's pretty balanced because you take 3 curses into your deck.
We see the Scarab draw. Gain 40 shield. Apply Doubt for 4 turns. Doubt. The target gains 20% less HP from healing.
Okay.
Bookworm. Seems like every class has one of these, like 0 cost. Take 1 card from your class and put it in your draw pile. Sandal. Apply Fear for 2 turns. If target already has Fear, do 50% more damage. It's pretty scary.
Sandal's really strong.
Damn, Jeff K has no mercy. These bugs are so good. Yeah, what's this rune? In odd rounds, draw 1 additional card when your turn starts. In even rounds, gain 30 shield when your turn starts. What? That's so solid.
Yeah, collect and protect.
That seems really good. Got an herbivore here. Heal team, if initial, remove 1 curse card from your deck. Okay, a little cleanse. Have you guys played around with any of these AoE cards? I see Jiho has Chubby here. That's 50 damage and it attacks all enemies. But it does cost 2.
That's the chubby, right? Yeah.
Yeah, it's kind of interesting. I do want to see somebody build like an all AoE damage deck. Wonder if there's any viability to that.
Alright.
There's the burn coming in.
Damn. Okay. Bad draw here.
Yeah, so my strategy here is, I just wanted to get some aquas. more aquas on my team and increase my survivability a bit. But also, yeah. Go
What
with the
just
safe
happened there? Why did your guy not die?
bet. That was a snake jar, man.
Oh,
You
damn.
have activated my trap card.
See, so that was a secret card, so that's why I didn't know it was there. I should have known.
Negate the next HP loss against the target up to 90 HP. Like a little shallow grave type thing. I like that. Pretty crafty.
Alright, so I'm gonna use my Ink Cheek to redraw 2 of my cards. Very nifty. Didn't really work very well, but not bad.
I'm a big Nutcracker fan.
Ooh,
Alright.
stealth. Okay.
What does stealth
Making
do?
some
Can't be targeted.
making some headway on that first front Axie, on that front bug.
Yeah, this is pretty even. Despite these bugs being super tanky. Looks like a pretty good card draw here. And I have so much to learn. I'm like looking at these bugs, realizing that I don't know much about bugs at all in Origin. Another thing that I didn't pop up against too much in our internal testing.
Okay.
Wow. Tough card draw for Jiho.
So I'm gonna have to try to use my Pocky to get around the tank. No, why did it do that? Okay.
Unlucky.
Well, so I have 7 banished, so this is gonna do 95. You have 105, so I can actually take him out, so I think that's okay. Oh, actually I cannot.
Oh yeah, that guy doesn't do damage. Although if you had played that card first, that would have banished, and then you would have had enough.
Oh, true.
Oh, that would have been
Huge
exactly enough
mistake.
too. Right there.
Yeah, that really shows the importance of playing your cards in the right order.
It's a game of inches. More leaf bugs here. Keep this frontliner alive.
No
Gosh,
way.
185 shield. 255 shield. Who is this guy?
Bugs are the new tanks.
I thought aquas were the new tank. So what are plants doing?
Well, I'm just gonna skirt around that.
Come on, Pocky. Don't fail me now.
Oh, okay.
There's an interesting thing, right? Is like if they play a lot of shield, you can play around it. There's less guesswork, I guess.
Yeah. Yeah, those are the rare times where it actually does make sense to sometimes pass with some energy where, like, you're not going to cut through the shield anyway. Man, look at all these debuffs here. Out comes the fear. More lumber shields stacking up.
Let's
He's got
go.
11 in his Spanish pile.
We're starting to see the potential here of this deck. Don't have enough room on the screen for all these lumber shields. But Jiho's going to be up to like almost 15 banished cards pretty soon.
Okay. Take him out. Take him out.
This
Yeah,
Topaz
all
is
those-
going to wreck.
All those revenge cards as well.
Yeah, all those get banished. Oh my gosh. This 1v1 is going to be...
Oh, man. All right. I'm a little worried here.
Yeah, I thought you had it easy, and now I'm looking
Yeah.
at this like... I think Jiho's coming back. Don't
I
call it
just
a
gotta hope
comeback.
he does not draw Topaz. Okay, I got a terrible draw here.
Notably
So I
bad.
can look at my draw pile.
So
I'm
I
not
use
sure if you
Thorny.
guys can see my draw pile, so I'm not going to say what's in there.
It doesn't look like that I can. If I click on
Okay.
the buttons, I don't get
This is
anything.
all that I can do
That's
here.
one of the things that I like is just being able to clearly see what's in my draw pile and my discard pile.
Yeah, I like that. Oh,
It's true.
also, I want to call out that the history button on the top left, you
Yeah.
can see all past actions there.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Interesting. Okay. So I'm going to.
Yeah, that.
Man, still no topaz draw. Tensions rising.
Oh man. Okay, this is
This will
not
be good
looking
at
good.
topaz next turn.
I think Shade's in trouble. I think we're going to a game 3. Jiho is not a cosplay kind of guy.
It's been we've been contemplating the cosplay for years now. It has not happened, but I have informed Jiho's intern to start thinking about preparations.
All right, coming down to the wire here. Jiho
Kind of a
still doesn't get the draw.
not a very good draw here.
Oh, man, what a tough break. He gets the void, too.
Interesting.
Nice. Okay, good.
Feel my
Okay.
Okay, let's see.
No.
All right, it's finally coming.
I have
Come
it.
No.
Come on.
Play with you a little bit first, or what?
You don't want to play with my leaf bug, man. I just need one good card draw.
Oh.
What is this room? Okay.
Oh, what the
225.